सब यूपीएससी वाले होते हैं.
Good evening. Yes, Samyak, please be seated. Samyak, what is this Samyak is all about? What do you mean by Samyak?
Samyak means right.
Right.
Yes.
Means something which should be done, which should be heard, something like that.
Yes. A universal truth we can say, it is the way of life.
Hmm.
Yes, we can say that.
Samyak behavior, something like that.
Yes.
Okay. So, Samyak, could you tell us as to why you think that you should be going to the IB?
I like challenges and adventure, and I believe in that I have that capacity and that strength to fulfill the IB job. So that's why I want to go. And
What kind of attitude and competencies and capacity you do have that you think that will add value to the to the organization?
uh, commitment and flexibility. These are my two skills.
Okay. So what other aptitude do you have?
Uh,
Okay. Let me ask you this question. Do you know what do you know exactly about the IB? What do you know about IB?
So it is intelligence agency, and it has area of operation that it has to collect information and to provide that information to the right authority, which is not available in the open area, or which is public do not share with the openly. So that kind of secret information or confidential information we have to deal with that.
But what is there a need for the state or the government to have this kind of agency? Is there it?
Yes, sir. It is believed that it is eye and ear of government. So,
But why we should have eye and ears?
sir, what we see, it is means I can use Hindi. Can
Yeah, okay, you can
जो
speak.
दिखता है वो होता है, and जो होता है वो दिखता नहीं. That's why we required such kind of agencies.
Okay. So, how you pursue security? What is that?
Security in the sense,
Means how you define security?
security is it is to protect someone or something.
You mean to say that you are going to protect someone
Yeah, or something. Whatever.
or something? So, how the IB is going to protect somebody or something that you are saying?
If IB means not, if IB can be used as an offensive and defensive intelligence service. So in case if it got the chance to protect before it any incident to occur, then it can take its steps in that way. So it can take offensive as well as defensive. So
आपने ग्रेजुएशन किस में किया है?
कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी से.
कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी में. और आपने वो 2015 में आपने कंप्लीट किया. अभी 15 के बाद क्या कर रहे हैं अभी इतने साल?
Sir, after my graduation, I started to prepare for civil service examination. Then I have qualified for thrice for main civil service. Then I realized let's move on. And so I do start from last year. I started to do other examination. So I'm.
आप वर्धा से हो.
Yes.
What is the relation between Wardha and Gandhi ji?
It's very big relation because after Dandi March, Gandhi ji has done his all work from Varda, Sevagram, especially from 1936 to we can say till the 1946 or 1947.
Okay.
Intelligence Bureau directly reports to whom?
Ministry of Home Affairs.
Exactly, but on which year this set has been trained? This train has been set means earlier it wasn't like that. So is it a recent development or is it a decade-old development? What do you think?
Sorry, sir.
Why not to defense? Why not to defense ministry?
Intelligence agency generally works for internal security, and Ministry of Home Affairs deal with internal security.
How counterintelligence has increased security issues between different countries? Like we have gone about the neighborhood first policy and even Act East policy. We have came across certain issues which are arised because of counterintelligence issues. Why government of India don't want intelligence agencies to have any legal basis? Why it is not so keen to bring any legal basis or any legislature for bringing any proper proper intelligence agency?
It is this question has come up in 2011 when PIL filed in Madras High Court. That time there was attempt to to enact act, but it was lapsed, and then that time government said that it is not a police job. It is a public job, and it do not require any uniform, and that was
What do you think are the major challenges in terms of security, like state security, specifically to Vidarbha?
most that is left-wing extremism and communalism.
Mm. Do you think there is any presence of right-wing extremism in India?
Yes, sir, we can say that.
How you can correlate the things? How you can explain it in specific areas or?
Like recently, we can take example of comedians which shows cancelled because of some their humor or their some comments.
Can you tell me something about the political agenda behind the left-wing extremism? Any political agenda or any political goal?
There,
So that we can say that it is a political ideology, not a socio-economic revolution or any kind of such thing.
left-wing extremism, they have their core interest in the political power, to grab political power. That's why they oppose any developmental activities there. They do not want electricity project, they do not want a road project, they do not want industrialize their area. So they do not want that developmental area, rather than they first want political. So they could grab the power, and then that. So
Do you have any favorite spy character in fictions or movies or anywhere else? Okay.
Can you explain about ICDS scheme of the government?
yes, sir. It is Integrated Child Development Scheme, which is instituted in 1972 by Government of India. It is mainly works for children which are between 0 to 6, and with that pregnant women and lactating women.
What is women empowerment according to you?
Women empowerment, according to me, is they have an equal opportunity as equal to men's in everything.
Do you know the term malware?
Yes.
Explain.
Malware is a special, it is type of software which is used to take the data from a computer, which is private data or very important data.
Any types of malware?
Spy, phishing, voicing, phishing. Uh,
Can you explain the term insurgency in your words?
Insurgency. In India, we experience in northeast area especially that insurgency is the local people which are which who wants their special defense state, and they got their local support, a little bit local support, and they want their own government. That is the insurgency.
Okay, Samyak, could you tell us which degree you have acquired?
I have got computer engineering, bachelor.
BTech, BE,
BE.
BE, computer engineering,
Yes, computer technology.
computer tech. Do you have any specific area concept that you like very much in computer science or computer engineering?
I like programming, sir.
Programming. How you explain a programming concept to a common person?
Program is just a set of words which are we write in a high level language, that is common English level, in a specific flowchart or algorithm, that in specific codes that are machine language
Don't use this algorithm word, nothing. Just, I mean, you think that a person has never heard any algorithm or any this technical word. How you explain programming this word to a common person who has never been acquainted with all these technical words?
If I ask someone to walk, and then that is the same thing I do with computer, that I command him that do that with the program.
Okay, okay. So I think this is all from our side, Samyak, and we wish you all the best for your future. Thank you so much.
Thank you.